serious.
Was the best era. I love the 80s. 1027.
Repeat the address of verification.
Wilton Drive at Northeast 6th Street.
I'm unaware of just how we got so aggressive. I know we meant all good intentions. So creo que están de aquel lado. Ahorita le decimos a la vigilancia, a ver. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué te pasa?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh! I'm driving! Move!
Wow. That's one for the dash cam.
Just as soon as the bridge tunnel cleared up, of course, huh? Wow. Oh, wow, that's really bad. Wow, we got sideswiped by someone else and hit them. Wow, that is extremely bad.
You gonna tell you?
To make the perfect cup of coffee, Coffee Mate Creamer is triple churned and 2 times richer than milk. And for all you chocolate lovers, try Coffee Mate's no snipples and dark chocolate. Tap into Coffee Mate, coffee's perfect mate.
We gonna go speed limit sometime? You gonna pull me over?
You got unsafe lane change and following too closely right off the bat. And then
Unsafe lane change?
Yeah.
When?
Right there before the
Because you cut me off.
Didn't cut you off. You swerved out from behind him to come over behind me.
No, I stay in the same lane.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I got dash cam, bro.
License and registration.
Is there a reason why he's holding up traffic on 40 in the fast lane?
What's that?
Is there a reason why he's holding up traffic on 40 in the fast lane?
It's not about holding up traffic.
Then what is it?
It's about driving safely.
So, driving 15 miles an hour below the speed limit is safe? Holding up traffic? Oh, here it is. And I got this all on dash cam,
That's
so
fine, sir. I don't mind that.
I'm gonna go ahead and file a complaint with you guys.
Okay.
There's no reason to drive 40 in the fast lane and you drive right next to him so no one can pass.
Well,
Isn't that what we're trying to get
here,
by?
listen.
Isn't this like a new law?
Can you listen to me? For
Yeah, I
just a
can
second?
listen.
Okay. Well, the thing was, I was staying right behind him, all the way from Ritchie Highway, and you got right up on him to where I couldn't get back over behind him.
That's not what happened.
That is-
Then he needs to get out of the fast lane.
He couldn't because I couldn't get back over there. He couldn't come back over.
All right, listen, this is all in the dash cam, everything you're saying, so I'll just show that to the judge at court.
Okay, that's fine. I don't have any problem with that. All right.
He had every opportunity to get over, you had every opportunity to get over. I was going to try and pass you, but you wouldn't let me pass.
And what was the problem with why you were swerving and then all of a sudden you took off your speed there and everything else?
What's swerving?
I just explained to you.
You cut me
swerved
off.
there. Okay,
And
I'll
I
be
didn't speed
I'll
up.
be right back with you, sir. Yes, you did.
I didn't speed.
You did speed, sir.
I don't think I did speed.